My name is Andrew Withers. I run a company called Fast Food Systems. It was born in 1971. My parents started a quick service company because of the demand of ever-growing fast food. The Vizu equipment range was born in 1990, so over 30 years of experience. We listened to our clients and have developed our own unique range of holding cooking equipment for the quick service industry. We know how to hold food hot, we know how to keep it moist, and how to keep it a long time at its best optimum quality. And we've developed a whole range of equipment with high build quality stainless steel that won't rust or corrode. But for longevity, the equipment lasts, it's built to last. Vizu range, over the past years we've worked on the ecological issues, energy usage. And on certain equipment now we've reduced energy by up to 50%. It's one of your largest running costs in your restaurant besides labour. So by removing quartz lamps, replacing them with LED, pad elements which are more directing the heat towards the food product, and the distribution of moisture and heat has given a better holding, shelf life, but also lower energy costs. There's over 70 products in the range, and they all grew from our earliest days in 1990 when we started making a fry station. And through that demand, we evolved into over 70 products, including holding, steaming, warmer drawers, toasting, all types of equipment, but only for the quick service industry. And they've been developed by customers' demands. We listen.